You've probably heard about Pips Miner, the hottest robot in 2009. The most aggressive version of Pips Miner, the Extended Edition, generated almost 300% of live profit since September 2009. Pips Miner is one of the most efficient forex investment tools available on the net, yet it is not perfect and has its flaws. For this reason, the creators of Pips Miner worked really hard for the past year. They went through thousands of lines of code and developed new algorithms to get rid of the imperfections. Thanks to that, Pips Miner Gold opens more accurate trades. Although it opens almost 20% less trades, it generates over 12% more profit than the older generation of Pips Miner. Have a look at the simulation. The upper part of the screen shows the backtest for Pips Miner EE, which is the old version of the strategy, and the lower part of the screen shows backtest for the new Pips Miner Gold with the most aggressive settings. For such a comparison, it is better to use a backtest than a live test for a couple of reasons. First of all, you compare the strategies in identical conditions. With backtests, there are no internet connection problems, no computer crashes, and no slippage. Second of all, you start the comparison at the exactly same time. And finally, in a backtest comparison, you use exactly same price data, so you can be sure that both strategies have the same input. But let us go back to the charts. We set up the starting date for both tests on January 1st and the finish date on April 30th, 2010. Both strategies start with an initial deposit of $10,000, trading with volume of 0.1 lot. With everything set up, we turn the tester on. In the beginning, both strategies progress in a similar way, and they even catch similar losses around order number 40. The first difference can be observed around trade number 84. While the EE makes a series of mistakes, Pips Miner Gold skips these losing trades and waits for better opportunities, which, as you can see, come really soon. Another huge difference comes with trade number 187. At this point, strategies accumulated over $5,000 of profit each, but Pips Miner EE opens a series of trades that eats out the whole profit and a slight part of the initial balance as well. As you can see, Pips Miner Gold does not invest in those risky positions and continues to generate profit. Both EAs catch some losing trades in the end, but the difference in profits is tremendous. Pips Miner EE has opened 321 trades and made $3,310 of profit, which is not a bad score at all unless you take into account the results of the new Pips Miner, which accumulated $11,912 of profit in just 255 trades. And what's really important is that this profit was generated with much lower drawdown, which means that you risk less to get more. Don't waste any time and get your copy of Pips Miner Gold today.